coffee's so good. It's banana and vanilla and honey. It's so yum. Joe got a smoothie. We got some food for breakfast. And they are so busy this morning. It's bringing me back to my barista days when I was alone and busy. I definitely feel for the guy in there, but he did a really good job. So kudos to him. It's very good. Okay. We're at a place called Parrot Mountain, and the drive was so frightening.
It's called Parrot Mountain. I don't know what you wanted.
I was so scared. I hurt my hand. I was so afraid. That's that, but let's go. I'm just gonna pretend like we don't have to go back down when we're done here. We're not even in there yet, and there's already birdies. Wow. Wow. Okay. Entrance. Oh my gosh. Hi, birdies. Wow. This incline is really hurting my legs today. Hi, birdie. Hi. Oh. Oh. Hello. Whoa. Hi, birdie. Can you show me your butt? Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it very much. Wow. Birdwalk.
It's not a boardwalk, it's a birdwalk.
Oh, toucans. That's cool. Look at this one. Wow.
Howdy, fella.
Hi, buddy. That's cool. Hi,
These ones
friend.
make like death sounds, I'm pretty sure. Like they like screech.
They screech?
I think so.
Please don't screech at me. That would be... Oh, he's looking right at me. We made eye contact. I feel like I can't look away. Look at him. I like crows.
They're always saying to this, like, get away from my food. Get away from my food.
Oh, these are crows.
Cute. Hi, birdies. Hi. Whoa.
He's got a lot to say.
Whoa. It's like a... Oh. Whoa.
Why he hang there?
What are you doing?
To be silly.
What do you do? Look at these ones. He's got a grape. Hi. You got a grape? That looks like a yummy grape. Looks like a really good grape. Hi. Him's just sitting funny. Whoa, this one's big.
It's like he's laughing.
He's laughing at us. We're gonna go in the bird garden.
Hi. This is a pretty color.
Hi, birdies. Oh my.
Take all the sunflower seeds.
Whoa. Hi.
The ones you can feed all have names. You see that?
Yeah. Carla.
Hi, Carla.
I'm trying to get this one. She's a red shirt.
Charlie. Bella will bite you. Don't try to feed Bella. Whoa. Whoa. Hi. You're so cute.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah. Hi, Betty. You having fun?
Yeah, you having fun?
Yeah. Look at the little ones.
Yeah. This one gets picked on.
Yeah. Aww. He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Oh, he take a nap. Oh. Don't want to wake him up. Oh, he woke him up. Oh no. Look at this one. Hi. You're pretty. You're a pretty bird. You're a very pretty bird.
Hi, Kayla.
Very, very pretty. You're a pretty bird. Okay. We're moving on.
As long as they don't squirt out nectar.
I got nectar. I'm scared. Go, go,
Hi, guys.
go, go. Whoa.
It's dogs.
Whoa. Whoa. One landed on my head right when we came in.
You had 2 on your head.
I had 2 on my head?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's cool.
Ouch!
My finger.
He
You
bit
probably
you?
got that on video.
There's one on your shoulder.
Yeah.
I'm out. They don't want. Oh, I'm fresh out, my guy.
Like, why is he standing on my head?
Oh, this one's falling.
Oh, I'm fresh out.
He's licking my fingers. As long as you don't bite me. Didn't hurt, just scared me.
Yeah. I don't think they're gonna come back because we're out of nectar.
Yeah, we're out of nectar.
But right when I came in, I had 2 birds on my head. That was
Megan,
cool.
is that your buddy?
That was really cool. Hey, birdies. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
I don't have any more nectar
I
for
know,
you. I'm
we're fresh
sorry.
out.
Here, look at them.
But you're cute. You're a cute birdie. Wow.
Can I hold you without the nectar? Can I hold you without the
These
nectar?
ones. Oh,
Yeah.
oh they
He says, I'm gonna bite ya.
He's like, oh, I'm okay.
You want to get out
I'm
here?
okay. Bird magnet over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hail. Why are you hiding? We're gonna go see the baby birds. Hi, baby. Oh, little guys.
All
Oh my
right.
goodness.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. He's pretty. He's a pretty bird.
All right.
Pretty bird.
Also very loud.
Very loud. Oh, really loud. Whoa. You coming? Oh no. Oh no.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah. Hi. Oh, that's my fingernail. Thank you. I'm not a snack. Can you not? I know. My fingernail looks like a seed, but it's not a seed. I promise you. I promise you. It's not. Okay. Okay. Oh, now you want to be friends? Now you want to be friends. Nope. 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 No. Uh-oh. Let go. Let go. Let go, please. Let go of me, please. It's not a seat. Can you let go, please? Ow. You know, that kind of hurts, my guy. Ow. Okay. Come on. Down. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, but my fingernail's not a seed. I'm sweating.
Just like the ones I used to have.
Look at you. You're so pretty. Wow. Wow. So pretty.
See, we should get those.
I don't know.
They're pretty cool.
They're pretty loud. Oh. Come on. You got it. Oh, not again. Hi. Hey. Oh, you got one too. Oh my goodness.
Birds are so just like willing to be held. Bird swap.
Bird swap? I don't think they're gonna swap.
Maybe not.
How cute.
Oh, I'm not supposed to have you on my shoulder though.
Yeah. You're not supposed
That's
to go
against the
up.
rules. I'm sorry.
Gotta follow
I like to
them.
hold you on my shoulder, but it's against the rules.
You're so cute. Wow.
Oh, you want this? Okay. All right.
You take my picture? Okay, we're back in the car. We got our picture. It's cute. I like it. A nice memory for the fridge. Is it worth $40? Probably not. But that's how they get you. So, that was really fun though. I had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah. And now, we have to go back down the scary drive, so.
I'm hungry.
Alright. Here we go. I'm spooked.
I will say, I don't need the backup camera, but it is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I actually almost appreciate the forward cameras more than the back camera.
Okay.
Yay, here we go.
Look at this. You're getting POV of the scary drive. Joe doesn't think it's very
No
scary.
hands.
Don't do that. I swear to the Lord. Like, I just don't like it.
It wasn't as busy as I thought it was going to be either.
No, it was like appropriately busy. We could still enjoy ourselves, but it wasn't, yeah. Okay, I don't think the drive down is as bad as the drive up.
It never is.
But also, I wish there was a guardrail. Like, we could do a guardrail right there.
That's what the trees are for.
No, trees don't count. We could have a guardrail. Definitely have a guardrail. This is why I don't drive while we're here. Because if I got all of a sudden found myself in this situation, I'd have a panic attack. And probably just stop the car, get out, and switch. Because I'd freak out. But yeah. I might be dramatic, but it's what would happen. It's just so steep. So it does want you to go down this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't love it. Oh god.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay, so we found this place called the Roaring Fork Motor Trail. So you just like drive through it. It's right off of the strip in Gatlinburg. And so far it looks cool. So we're gonna do this. We'll see how long it takes us. I don't know how long it's supposed to take, so.
cramps is up there directing traffic.
Yeah, somebody just got out of their car. They're definitely gonna scare it away. Yeah.
Across the road, actually.
I see it now.
That's nuts.
Wow. What are you doing?
I'm gonna dunk my face.
Why?
So wake you up.
You're gonna fall in.
I'm not. If I do, so what? Mom's got leather seats. It'll be fine.
OMG. Where's your phone?
I gotta go get it convinced I'm not also gonna get my nose open.
He's so for real right now.
That's chilly.
Yeah?
Feels good though.
I just checked the weather. We're under a tornado watch. If you know me, I'm terrified of storms. And we literally had a tornado in my hometown 5 days ago. I've had enough. So I should probably be helping Joe, but I'm not.
Golly, thanks for all the help with the pool cover.
So to ignore the severe weather coming, we're gonna chill in the hot tub till it starts storming. So, yeah. Good morning. Welcome to the next day. It's almost 11 o'clock and I'm letting Joe sleep in because we didn't get back to the Airbnb till like midnight last night after leaving Anakista. He's tired, so yeah, letting him sleep in. I'm trying to enjoy my time out here, and Mans has just been weed whipping everywhere. He was 10 feet from me and didn't wave or anything. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm still here. I will not back down. So, today is our last full day here, and I think we're gonna go to Cades Cove and spend the majority of our day there, and then do a hike there. So that should be fun, hopefully. It's a lot cooler today as of right now. I got sunburned yesterday on top of the mountain, so I need to not do that again today. But yeah, that's the sitch for right now. I'm hanging out with Mr. Weed Whip over here. But I am going to go wake up Joe soon because I told him I'd wake him up at 11. And we will get on with our day. Probably won't be able to see it from here, but we just saw bear number 7.
I see him in the people are awfully close to that bear.
I know, and there's a ranger over there, probably because people won't mind their business. Like, I get it, it's cool, but like,
People know how to act.
this is a little much. But we'll see if we can see him again. Yep, there he is. I'll try to zoom in, but it's probably too far away. But there's bear number 7.
Come on.
We just saw bear number 8. I didn't get it because it was way far away. What's this man looking at? A deer. A couple deer. Oh, cutie little deer. Wow. Okay, so we're doing the Abram Falls hike, which is 5 miles total, but less elevation gain. So hopefully it won't be as hard as the other hike that we did. So far, it's not bad at all. So, should be good. We're walking next to the river, which is very peaceful. So yeah, should be. Keeps finding lizards. Did you get a picture?
Not as good as the other one, but lizard.
Nice. We made it to the falls, and we went and sat and had a snack. Now, Joe got a water filter straw thing, and he wants to drink the fall water. So that's what we're gonna do now.
You want this so I can get down closer?
You got the goods?
Yep. Pretty refreshing. Want to try it?
Yeah.
You can suck on it. Or just dip it in your mouth, whatever you want. Oh, sorry.
I can suck on it?
Yeah. Pretty refreshing, huh?
Yeah.
Mountain water.
Worth it?
Yeah, for sure. Want to fill up our water bottles with it?
No, mine's full still. You can.
I might. Shiwi time! Pee in the bucket time.
We finished the hike. My shiwi was a fail. It started coming out the back, so I stopped. So I peed in the car. We have a bucket. Now we're going back to the river so that Joe can fill up our water bottles again because they're empty. And that's fun. So that's what we're doing now. Joe's mad that I've been peeing in the car.
Oh, okay. That's fine. You don't listen to what I have to say anyway.
He was mad. But there was a wait for the potty and I had to go. I think I'm gonna sink. I do not know what we are waiting for, but it better be good because I'm hungry. Oh my gosh, it's right there.
Oh, he's snoozing. He's snoozing. He doesn't care. He's just a happy bear.
Having a snack. Wow.
That was neat.
Okay, was it worth the wait?
I mean, it was cool, but like we could have got the same experience if everyone was like moving at a uniform speed.
Yeah. Queso, salsa, chips, margarita, daiquiri. Yum. We are checking out. And yeah, we're gonna be on our way. We had a really good trip. It was a very, very nice trip. It went by way too fast. But it was a very nice trip. Much needed time away from home and with each other. And yeah, I think we're gonna go get breakfast and coffee before we leave town, but we are heading out. So it was a really nice time. I'm sad to go home. Goodbye, cabin. We're leaving.